Hello everyone, welcome to another video in this our course series. And this time around, this video will be introducing us to web hosting. It will be introducing us to web hosting. So this is a web hosting company. The name is Bluehost.com. It is actually a foreign company. The work of this company is that they deal on our domain name like facebook.com, google.com, or whatsoever, any name you want your website to have. These people are actually the ones that sells. A hosting company is actually the company that sells a domain name and also sells a hosting for you. So what actually is a hosting? These people, they have a 24 hours computer that is online, that serves the purpose of carrying our website to the world, that everybody can be uh, can be able to access our website. So in this place now, I'm trying to write a domain name facebook.com, but because facebook.com is already owned by somebody, they are going to tell us that this site is not available. So the importance of this is that uh, any website you want to build, we first of all going to search the name of, if that was the name is available, or if the name is not available. You can customize the name, like as facebook.com is not available, you can still have facebook.ng, or add different things to make sure that you differentiate your website from another website. So what am I trying to, the reason for which I'm showing us hosting is they are very essential when it comes to building a website. So the name, they sell the name for different prices. The .com is sell for different price, .org is sell for different price, .ng is sell for different price, .com means .commerce, that is any website that has .com in it. That simply means is a commercial website. In other words, be ready to do business and be ready to pay for some services. Websites that have .edu, that means education. Websites that have .org, that means organization used by mostly churches. So what are we? The essence of showing us this now is for you to see uh, the company can that carries every website online and shows it to people. There is no way you build a website for people to see all over the world without hosting that website. It is very essential that you understand that there is a company that actually you know hosts our website. You can see different prices for different packages, and all of these things are for monthly payment. But if you want, you can pay for 1 year, 2 years, depending on your budget and depending on how long you intend that website being online. So there are other uh, hosting plans that I'm going to expose us to, hosting companies rather, that I'm going to. So this one we have here is Bluehost.com. This is one of the best websites, hosting companies that we have in the world, and is their services are in dollars. They don't charge in naira, but I'm going to show you a Nigerian company that also help us to do this. There are many hosting companies. These people, their work is to carry our website on their server and to display it to the entire world. So the next website or company I'm running for you is Hostinga.com. Hostinga.com, in my opinion, is one of the best, is the best hosting company um, because of the services they offer. Their service seems to be a little costly, but beneath giving you a domain name, beneath giving you just a hosting account, there are other things that they also give you for free. So the essence of showing us this now is because we are going to be diving into website development first because of the pool that we had. We're going to be diving into website development first. We are going to be using a hosting company to do that. Meanwhile, moreover, we are going to be using a company that is going to give us a free domain name that will make us not to pay any dime at the cost of this lesson. And then so you can see here hostinga.com, they have their services. You can just go through your phone, like uh your free time, go through the sites. Any question you have, you can ask me on that. Then I will also explain the things you need for you. Okay, so you can see here on the screen, bring your idea online with a website. So these people, they host all manner of websites. They um they carry our websites all across. So the next one I also want to show us is domainking.com. Domainking.com. This is a Nigerian company that carries the a Nigerian hosting company. Okay. So there is a mistake. I think it's domainking.ng, not .com. This is showing me another different website. It should be domainking.ng. Okay, so let me write domainking.ng um, here. Remember I said that the reason for which we are shaking up this hosting account is because we are diving into web development now, and we are going to need a name. We are going to need a name, a domain name like mecca.com or mecca or anything. And then we are also going to need a hosting account, a company that will host our account. Domain King is open now, a company that will host our account, and then for everyone in the world to see a our website or anything we build. So this is very very important that we learn it now, because um, it is very very important. Because um, okay, I'm typing, sorry. And okay, so without hosting companies, there are no websites. Without hosting companies, there are no website. It carries all the uh, things that we need for us to do this. So that's one thing about we are showing you here. So these ones that you can see the prices listed here. .com has its price. .ng, .syz, everything has their price. Now this is the business in this thing. You can actually make money buying domain for people and buying hosting for people even without building a website. You know, you can buy domains and you can keep it. Any person that needs that domain anytime, any year, we pay you a huge amount of money for you to give it to that person. It's called domain reselling. You can buy um, any domain. So this time around now, I want to log into another hosting company that gives us a free domain name that we can use in the course of our lesson. And this domain is called 000webhost.com, not 000, but 0000, as in um, arithmetic figure, 000webhost.com. So these people, I'm trying to open their site now. They are the ones that we are going to be using at the course of our lesson here to learn how to build a website. So what we are going here to do now is to get a hosting account, get a domain name, and then um, upload um, the a software we are going to be using to build the website. And then we will now begin to make some customizations that we want to do. So these people now, they are going to give us a free domain name and a free hosting, though there is an a there a little disadvantage to it. The disadvantage to it is that when we want to, when we write the name we want, maybe orange oranges.com, these people are going to add their own name. They call it a subdomain. They are going to add their own name to tell people that we are the one giving this people. So they're going to add extra name for you. They're not going to give you that name that you desire directly, but it's still good for us who are learning. That's just the only thing that is except if you want to upgrade your account, that's when they are going to find out that they will that's only then they can allow you. So just keep watching, and then you see what we do. And so what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to um, sign into their website and then create my own account. There's also say create website. So in this place now, I'm going to write my password. I'm going to write a repeat password as well. And then after that, I'm going to click on create account. Now there is a trick to writing your password here. Number one, make sure that your password are up to 8 characters. And number two, make sure that your password have a capital letter. You can see it popping out on the screen. Make sure that your password have a capital letter, has a small letter, has also a special character. A special character in the sense you should have either hash or um, underscore or at or any special character. Make sure that your um, password also have a number. So anyone you are going to remember, just make sure it's there as well. Then at the top where you see where the row 00 web hosting, there is another box there where you are going to write the desired name that you want to use. Once you do that, you have written your desired name, and then you have written your password, and then you have confirmed your password. Then is when you are going to click on create. And if you click on create and yet you didn't create, just keep clicking on it. You know, this is a free service, and sometimes they may not um, want to respond very fast, so keep clicking on it. You may also want to check your email because they sent you a mail. You may also want to check your email and take um, further instructions from your email. So this is it about a hosting company. Any question will be entertained via our group. Thanks so much for watching. Yeah.